Welcome to Cosmic Compass, where we navigate the wonders of the universe one story at a time. Today, let's travel back to the moon. But instead of rockets, craters, or scientific experiments, we'll follow something a little more unexpected: a golf ball. Yes, this is the true story of how a simple game became one of the most memorable moments in space exploration. Let's begin. Even in the most ambitious missions of human history, a spark of mischief often finds its way in. We may imagine astronauts as strict professionals, disciplined, focused, precise, and they are, but they're also human, curious, playful, and sometimes just a little cheeky. During the Apollo-Soyuz mission in 1971, astronaut Alan Shepard, already the first American in space, secretly brought something unusual in his personal utility pocket: the head of a 6-iron golf club. He had ingeniously attached it to a lunar excavation tool. The goal: to become the first human to play golf on the moon. Millions watched the mission unfold live on television, but few expected what came next. Amid the silence of space and the grey dust of the lunar surface, Shepard took out a golf ball, positioned himself clumsily inside a bulky spacesuit, and took a swing. It was a moment that blended science and silliness in perfect harmony. Let's imagine it for a moment. The Earth hangs above the horizon like a glowing marble. The sun casts harsh shadows across an alien terrain, and there stands a lone figure in a white spacesuit, raising a makeshift club over a tiny white ball. It was one small swing for a man, but a surprisingly symbolic gesture for mankind. In total, Shepard attempted 4 shots. The first A misfire, the club hit nothing but lunar dust, sending rubble flying. The second A slice, the ball rolled just a few feet away. Undeterred, Shepard retrieved the ball and lined up again. The third shot made better contact, but still didn't travel far. Then came the fourth and final attempt. He dropped a new ball, adjusted his stance, and swung once more. This time the connection was clean. The ball lifted and sailed through the airless void. As it disappeared from view, Shepard's voice crackled through the radio. Miles and miles and miles. Was it really? Probably not. But it certainly felt like it. Back on Earth, the Guinness World Record for the longest golf drive stands at 515 yards, hit by Mike Austin in 1974. Unofficially, Carl Cooper's shot in a pro tournament went an astonishing 787 yards, though it took a series of lucky bounces on a concrete path. But what happens when we take the game off-world? On the moon, gravity is only 1/6 that of Earth, and without an atmosphere, there's no air resistance, no wind, no friction, just pure momentum in a vacuum. Estimates suggest that a well-hit golf ball on the moon could travel up to a mile, about 1 to 160 yards. That's more than twice the Earth's record. And if Shepard had been able to swing with both hands instead of one, his suit-limited movement, the shot might have reached nearly 2 miles. In a way, this was more than a stunt. It was an informal experiment in physics using golf as the medium. And Shepard wasn't alone in his lunar play. His fellow astronaut Edgar Mitchell decided to join the fun by throwing a makeshift javelin, a metal tool, across the surface. 2 explorers, 240,000 miles from Earth, engaging in a spontaneous contest of distance and gravity. Before returning to the lunar module, the astronauts took one last photo. In the image, a small crater, and inside it, the javelin and one of Shepard's golf balls. To some it was a novelty, to others a reminder, even in a place as foreign and silent as the moon, human curiosity and a childlike sense of wonder was alive and well. Let's take a step back. What does it say about us that in the midst of one of humanity's most serious and dangerous scientific endeavours, someone found time to swing a golf club? It says, we're not just explorers, we're storytellers, we're dreamers. We bring our humour, our games, and our imperfections with us. wherever we go. And maybe that's exactly what makes our journey through the cosmos so meaningful. So could it be that the longest golf shot in history wasn't about distance, but perspective? We'll let you decide. If stories like this ignite your curiosity and you want to see more journeys beyond our world, consider subscribing to Cosmic Compass. We explore the universe one human story at a time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up. If you enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing to Cosmic Compass for more stories that blend science history and the human spirit. From the depths of black holes to the footprints on alien soil, we explore it all. Leave a comment below. Do you think Shepard's golf shot was just a prank or something poetic? Until next time, keep your curiosity alive, your compass pointed skyward, and never stop exploring.